And today I'm going on a mission. I'm going to Mission Barbecue. And I got the pulled pork sandwich. It's excellent. This is barbecue at its best. From pulled pork, chicken, brisket, turkey, sausage, salmon. They got everything you need. And they got a great collection of excellent sauces that will suit the taste of just about anybody. And they even got some hidden behind the counter. They even got desserts. Now this blueberry cobbler is a hand grenade to the taste buds. It is great. And then this happened.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in honoring our country as we do every day at noon with the singing of our national anthem.
Everyone stopped, stood up, and put their right hand over their heart. It was an incredible sight to see that this type of patriotism still exists in our country today. Every day at noon, everybody stops what they're doing, stands up, puts their right hand over their heart for the national anthem. If you're a veteran that served this country, you could join the VIP club for a free sandwich. They will even cater your event in this weaponized smoker truck. And they're already in around 16 states and rapidly growing. In a world where people's culture and tradition is being washed away in favor for some type of unified nothingness, it's really great to go to a restaurant like this and see that they're actually preserving the American culture. Preserving cultures, any cultures, should be a priority, for without culture and tradition, we as a people do not have a history, and most assuredly will not have a future. This is not the restaurant to bring your vegan girlfriend to. You're not going to get points there.